Okay, so we'll start our class with the previous class discussion about the dictionary. Dictionary, what we have learned that dictionary has the components or elements having two things. One is key and second one is value. And we know that is an unordered list. So the order in which it is being stored doesn't matter, or index value doesn't matter. We extract the elements in terms of key. There are various functions or methods which can be applied on the dictionary. For example, the copy function copies a dictionary into another, makes a shallow copy. That means these elements, what you can see over here, this is a shallow copy of this one. The clear command will clear the dictionary. Dictionary will not be deleted, only elements will be deleted. The pop function removes an item. So if I write dictionary.pop of 4, the element with key value 4 will be popped out. Similarly, I can have a get function which I will give the key over here so that the value for this particular key we can get. The difference between these two are get function returns and pop function will delete it right from the dictionary. Keys function will only display the keys, values function will only display the values. The from key, just it's an important one. From key, this is a list I have given 0. That means this will become the key, and for these will become the key, and for each of the key, the value is set to 0. For 1 it is 0, for 2 it is 0, for 3 it is 0. So these are the iterables which will be set to a particular value. So I can define a key in such a way. I can also pop out some element by pop item. So you can see over here, this is given if I give d dot pop item. So it will take out one item from the, dictionary. Pop item doesn't mean that only the last item will be popped out. It will be pop any item, some key and value, right? Similarly, if you have update function, suppose this is D and this is D1. Can you see over here 1, 2, this is 2 and 3, this is given. If I write D dot update of D1, so what I want to update? I want to update D by passing D1. So what it will do? It will go on comparing the key value. Wherever a match is there, it will replace it. For example, these 2 each match over here. So 3 will be replaced with this 2. The 3 will be replaced with this 2. And for example, this is the set value. I can set a particular value. Suppose I have d dot set value of 5 high. Actually, I have given this as the key and value which can be given as a default. If it is already there, it returns the value. If it is not there, that will be added to the dictionary. If it is not there, it will be added. If it is already there, it will just return the value for that key. These functions are understood? Or any doubt on these functions? Okay. Going to the next topic. Let us take an example over here. We can fetch key from a value. We can also fetch any doubt?
What are the difference between pop and pop item?
Pop and pop item. Okay. So yes, see, okay. Pop item here it will return any random value over here. Suppose this is for example, this is D is given. Hello to hi it is given. So what it will return? It will return some pair as a tuple, right? So what it will return? It will return, for example, 2 and high. Both will be returned over here. Key and value, both will be returned. But in pop, what it will return? Pop will provide a key and it will return you the value. We will provide the key. We will provide the key.
Function will always have a key inside it.
Yes, pop function always takes a key as argument, which returns a value. But pop item will return both. Pop item will return a key and a value. So it will, one of the item from the dictionary will be returned. So it return both key
Sir,
and.
can we pass any argument inside pop?
Can we? I could not. Hello. No.
Can we pass any?
No.
Key or value inside pop item?
No. Only we'll give d dot pop item in this way. So this is dictionary. This is the pop item. It returns what? It returns a key and value.
Both key and value. Yes, sir.
Yes, it returns both key and value. Okay, so let us take an example where we want to access a key from a value. Already I have given one example earlier. You can see over here, this is a dictionary, Java 100, Python, this is given. The value we have taken as hundreds, for example. This is key value in my dictionary item. So what does it mean? The key will become all this, and the value will also become the Java, Python and C. Try to understand. I have two iterators over here. This is what? This is in which I want to search. This is in which I want to search. But what is it? I have given over here items. I have not written my dictionary. My dictionary is the entire dictionary over here. Items returns what? Items is the on these values actually. So it will check. So key will become this and value will also become this. So now if this value that you will get, suppose for example 100 or 112, I have taken 100 over here. If the val matches over this value will iterate over these items. So if it matches, it will print the key. So key is also moving over there. So I will print the key for the same.
So not get the for loop.
See,
not get the
okay. I'm saying for loop generally takes what? One variable for x in this. If I write for x comma
yes,
y, if I write for x comma y in this, then x will become the same item, y will also become the same item in that way. So here I have taken key and value. So key first, this returns actually two things to understand. Let me explain you what is the output of this one. Can you tell me first? Then I will tell you. What is the output of this?
So for the for loop, only for the.
No, only for this. What is the output of only my dictionary items? What it will return? What it will return? My dictionary dot items.
Key values, sir.
Only keys.
Yes, sir.
Then what is the value? Key function is there. Key function returns only keys. Value function returns only values. If you could remember. See, keys function returns the only keys. Values function returns what? Only values. Items returns what? Item returns what? Items I have not given or what? Item returns both. Item returns both key and value. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So it returns what? Key and value. So therefore I have stored in key and value. I have given in some earlier example, I have given items as an example. Somewhere I have given here items. I have used items before also. This you can see here I have used the item. So what it is doing, it is taking out the key and item, it is returning the key and item, both items. So this key and value is stored over here. If the value matches, I print the key. Is there any doubt? Look into again and please free to ask me. There is no problem. Please free to ask me. But going through this, the output of my dictionary dot items is the elements of the dictionary. So each item of the dictionary has two things, key and value. So these are being stored in two variables, key and value. So then I check that whether value equals to value or not.
Got it, sir.
Okay. I'll go for one more example. To count the number of times a particular character appears in a given string. Try to understand how many times a character appears in a given string. Suppose a string is, I have inputted a string. I will print that each of the character occurs how many times. Are you getting me what I'm saying? For example, I'll say I. This I occurs how many times? The A occurs how many times? A occurs 1, 2. Suppose A 2 times, it will be A 2 times. The capital I 1 time. The M is one time. S is 2 times. So it must return that a particular character occurs how many times in the string. How will you do it? Just see over here the code for the same. This is a linear time algorithm. I don't have to traverse it twice even. A single traverse also I can get it. If you use any other programming language, you will go for scanning one element. Every time you will go on scanning how many times it occurs. Here it is how easy to do it. What I'll do over here, suppose this is my string. And this is the dictionary. This is which dictionary? Empty dictionary. Any point of time, if you could not understood, ask me there only. For I in my string, so what I will become? I will become this I will become space, I will become A, then M, like that. I is in my string. Correct? Now it checks if I not in dictionary, whether I is not in dictionary. Suppose the first one is I, capital I. Capital I is not in dictionary. So dictionary of capital I equals to 1. So dictionary of capital I 1. So this is something like this. Is it understood or not? First one.
Sir, here the total string is.
Sir, not understood.
Okay.
So the total string is taken as dictionary or what?
No, the total string is, that is only one string. Let me compile it, that will be better. Okay. See over here. This is my string. Can you see my screen or not?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now this is the empty string, a empty dictionary. Dictionary is initially empty. Try to understand. My dictionary is initially empty. This is for your example only. Empty. Now, what is the value of I? Can you tell me what is the value of I now? What will be the value of I initially?
So capital I.
Capital I.
Now it is capital I. If capital I not in dictionary, true or false? Capital I not in dictionary. Is it present?
True, sir.
True.
True. So that means dictionary of I. That means dictionary of I. What is small I? Small I is a dictionary of small I is
I.
I.
Capital I.
Equals to
Capital
1. So is it like this or not?
Yes, sir.
Is it like this or not? Dictionary of I equals to 1 means first one is key, second one is value.
Value. Yes, sir.
Okay. So
Yes,
now,
sir.
okay. Now what is the value of I? Now value of I equals to space.
Yes, sir.
For space will be for space it will not in dictionary, right? Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
So space will be space will be 1. But space, suppose I am just omitting. The next one is what? A. The next one is what? A.
Yes, sir.
Okay. For A is present in the A not in dictionary. True or false?
True.
True. So if it is not, so it will be added over here. So now A colon 1.
1. Yes, sir.
Then similarly it will go to the M. The next one is I becomes M.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
I not M is not in the dictionary. M is not till now not in the dictionary. So it will be added
Yes.
with 1. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So like that it will go for again A will occur. Again A will occur or not?
Yes, sir.
When A will occur, A is in the dictionary or not? This will become false.
False.
So it will come to the else part. In the else part, what is then dictionary of A is equal to dictionary of A plus 1. So that means this will be incremented to 2.
Yes, sir.
Is it understood now? So it will continue like that only. Is it understood? Like that it will go for the next character. It will go for S, then T, then like that it will construct the dictionary. And finally I will print this dictionary only. I will print this dictionary only.
Sir, explain the increment part again.
See, suppose the next time A occurs, when the A occurs, it checks whether A is there. Okay, look over here. Where is the program? So first time I occurs, I is not in the dictionary. So dictionary of I equals to 1. That means capital I colon 1. The next is a space I omit. The next one is A. For A, what I'll do? For A, not, is it in the dictionary?
No, sir.
No, it is not in the, like this it is there. Is it now in the dictionary? No. When A is not in the dictionary, it will be added. So it will be added over here. What will be added? A colon 1, because dictionary of I equals to 1.
Yes, sir.
Then similarly M will come. When M will come, this becomes M colon 1. Correct? Now after M, then again A will come. Try to understand over here. When A will come, A not in dictionary. Is it true or false? A not in dictionary. In this dictionary, A is present or not?
It's present, sir.
That means
Present,
this. That means this is false.
Yes,
So
sir.
it will
Yes,
come.
sir.
It will come to the else part. In else part, what it will do? Dictionary of A. I means A over here. I is A or not? So dictionary of A is dictionary of A plus 1. What is dictionary of A? Dictionary of A is 1. 1 plus 1. So now it becomes 2. So dictionary of I will become, means dictionary of I is A. What is A will become? A will become this value. Right hand side is the value, left hand side is the key. Always remember, this is key and this is the value. So this is, even if you are writing the same thing, here it will be considered as the A, but here it will be considered as the value of A. That is the value for the key. And similarly, and it will go for the other items. Is it understood or any doubt over there?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Got it, sir.
You can, if you want to see, then I will. So it shows you that which character. Look over here. Even space is being computed. The space is for 5 times. It's saying, because the second character is space or not. This character is space. So space occurs 5 times. It says. For every character, how many times occurs, it will display it. Correct? Is it understood?
Yes, sir.
Suppose the question is given to count the number of times a word appear in a given string. A particular word occurs how many times in a dictionary? Can you modify the same program and do it? What logic?
Yes, sir.
What logic you will use? Suppose this is the string given. How will you know that how many times a particular word occurs? What changes you will do in over here?
So you have to take the required string inside another variable and compare it inside the loop.
No, this is the string given. Suppose I want that how many times I occur, how many times am occur, how many times A occurs, how many times student occurs. It is not characters.
Yes, between two. Yes,
First,
we can take the word between two blank spaces and store it in another variable.
how will you make it? This is good, but how will you make it?
Sir, split function.
Very good. We will use the split function so that now each one will be one element. Then we can use the same logic what we have used over here. Correct? Just same thing I have done over here. Just see over here. This is the string. This is the nice experience to learn Python program with association with silicon. This is one of my best tips. Suppose this is my string. experience occurs 2 times, maybe some words might be occurring multiple times, right? This occurs 2 times, each occurs 2 times. So the same program, what I have done, that string I have just make it a split. So it comes to a dictionary, and then I will use the same logic. Then I will use the same logic over here. Is it understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Oh, very good. These are some questions. Now I am not discussing, you will do it for you one. These questions you will do for you one. This is a work for you. Maybe in the lab, if possible, you will do it. You will find the highest mark in 3 subjects, create a dictionary whose keys are. So this you will read and we will do it later. Some questions I have kept it for your practice. Actually, you will put some values in win and loss, then you will find out some. Okay, can you see this output? What will be the output of this? This is given city, Bangalore, state, Karnataka. This is a dictionary. Suppose you want to delete the entry of city. I want to delete this one. What I will do? Which command can be used for deleting? I can use the which command? Pop command I can use. I can use the del command, del function. Sorry, del function or pop function.
Pop
Hello?
function.
Yes. Pop function. Here del function can also be used. Del, pop, that can also be used. So I have used here, the del is used. It's not delete, del. So del I can use the I'll give the what key, it will delete that particular element. So this is the C is correct and the E is also correct. I can use in this way as well. Either the I will give with the bracket. Is it understood? So del function can also be used for deleting an item given a key, given a particular key. We can use a pop function also. Here the delete is also correct. Just look over next question. This is the dictionary given. Which of the following command will return the number of entries in the dictionary? Number of entries is the length function, d.len. It is not len of d, it is d.len, so that it will return the length of the dictionary. Length of the dictionary means number of items in the dictionary. Can you just look over here, take out your note and just write down the output, and then I will match that whether the output are same or not. This is a dictionary. What will be the output of the below statement? Suppose print dummy dictionary. So it will print what? The entire dictionary, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Dummy dictionary of 1, what it will print?
Set 2:B.
No. Dummy dictionary of 1. 1 represents.
Sorry. 1:A. 1:A. Sorry. Yes, sir. Key.
Yes. This is
Yes,
key.
sir.
Yes, key. Very good. So now length of dummy dictionary?
3, sir.
3.
Very good. So print 2 in dummy dictionary. 2 in dummy dictionary. True or false? Print 2 in dummy dictionary. Print 2 in dummy dictionary. 2 in dummy dictionary is true or false? First you see whether this key is present in this dictionary or not.
True, sir.
Yes, sir.
Not present.
Yes,
2.
sir.
Whether 2 is present in this dictionary or not. 2 in dummy dictionary.
True, sir.
So it is present over here. 2 is the key. Dummy dictionary of 2 is equals to XYZ. 2 is the key over here. So then I print the dummy dictionary. 4 in dummy dictionary, false. So look over here, for each of these, we have written that this prints this is A, this is 3, this is true. 4 is true means this is true, and it checks the 2, and then if the key is 2 exists in dictionary, as it checks returns 2. So here also the 5th one is what? Print dummy dictionary. So it prints like this because you have already changed it to XYZ. You have already changed it to XYZ, so it is printing 2XYZ now. This returns, oh sorry, this returns true or false. 4 in dummy dictionary is false, so it returns false. Then it deletes the key 2. What is key 2? Key 2 is XYZ, that will be deleted now. And now if you print, this is get printed. I hope this is understood.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
I will not explain this one. You find out, this is very easy. Just look into this and try to find out why the output. This is very simple. Keys, values, and items. Keys, values, and items. Okay. This return the keys, this return the values, this return the items. Items returns what? Both key and value. Item returns key and value. Okay. Just see over here. This is another output. Can you get? This is also not very difficult. I just put a loop for every key. For every key, I want to print the value. So I print key and music album of key. Key and music album. So this is nothing but this is the value. This is nothing but this is the value, right? Music album of key means the value. Is that understood?
Yes, sir.
Just see over here what I have written. Title, music, then artist, genre, then year. But is it printing in that order? Title, artist, genre, and year. Is it printing? So dictionary is an unordered collection. The order of key value pair may or may not be same during every execution. So therefore I say that it may not always return in the same order because order doesn't matter.
Sir, the previous slide 1 second. Sir, if the order doesn't matter, sir, how is the traversal working? Sir, we are taking the variable key in music album. Sir, it must be traversed from beginning to the end. So why it is printing in random?
So whatever the order might be, suppose I have taken this key. The key will iterate over these items. Suppose it will start from genre, there is no problem. If it start from artist also, there is no problem. We do not want the elements to be in a particular order, it should come. If we require it should come in a particular order, then it should not be a dictionary. I will go for some list or tuple. So the key will iterate over this. Whatever the first item is there, it will take it. So whether it is a title or genre or year, whatever it may be. Second item may be some other key values, because the key value are different, are unique. All keys are unique, right? So we can it will iterate over this keys only.
So it's random every time we execute even the same program. It will be
not.
random.
It says that it may or may not be. We cannot give a guarantee that every time the output will be same. Every time the order in which it will be displayed will be same. The output are same. Output means suppose these 4 values I am getting. These 4 values only I will get, but not necessarily in this particular order. The next iteration maybe I will get genre first, year second. So, but this output will be same only, but in different order maybe. So it may or may not be same. In the I have shown you in one example. I have executed for several times, but it was saying it was giving the same order. But there might be a chance it may also give in a different order actually. So these are also some programs I have kept for you. You will try of your own. These programs in your lab classes will do it. That customer details and it's given, and you have to print all customer details, number of customers. This you will do of your own, right? Or everything we cannot do in the theory class over here. We'll go for we'll try to finish today the set data structure. And you know that before 15th we have to complete the functions as well. Module 2 contains functions and packages. So that also you have to need to be completed. So these programs you will try of your own, these questions, 2-3 questions we have over here. Okay. Going to the next one is the Python sets. Python sets. Python sets declaration is similar to that of what the dictionary. The only thing is that dictionary has key and value. Here you do not have key and value. We give curly braces, but these are only some items will be there. Like list has some items, tuple has some items, the sets also has some items, but they will be enclosed within curly braces. Is it understood? List is enclosed within square bracket. Tuple is enclosed within a pair of parentheses. Set is enclosed within curly braces. Dictionary is also enclosed within curly braces, but each item has two things, key and value. So mathematically, a set is a collection of items, not in any particular order. So Python set is similar to this mathematical definition with below additional conditions. These are the additional conditions over here. What is those? The element in the set cannot be duplicated. You cannot have a duplicate element in a set. Do the set have duplicate elements in mathematics also? So sets cannot have duplicate elements. The elements in the set are immutable, but the set as a whole is mutable. So although the element in the set are immutable, but as a whole the set can be, as a whole means I can do some operations like union, intersection, these things I can do. It's just a second. Okay, so so each of the element in the set are we cannot change the individual elements, but we can do some operations where the set can be changed. Are you getting me? Suppose inside the, I'll give the example for the same as well, but it says that inside that set the elements cannot be changed, but the set can be changed. Means I can do union operation, I can go for intersection operation, I can go for difference. All set operation can be performed over here. This is also unordered, like dictionary. This is also unordered. There is no index attached to any element in the Python set. So they don't support any indexing or slicing, that is not being supported by the sets. Is it understood? Two of the data structure we have read which are unordered. One is set, second one is dictionary, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so it is an unordered collection of unique elements. The sets are list with no index value and no duplicate entries, right? No duplicate entries, no index values. And can be used to identify unique words used in a graph. How many unique words? Although you use dictionary to count, here it says that how many unique words are there, I can use the set over here. How to create a set? You can see the examples over here. What operation that we can do? We can do intersection, difference, union. Achha, how do you differentiate a set from a dictionary? Dictionary also we write in curly brackets.
Dictionary
both
contain
the keys and
keys and
values.
values.
If there is a value,
Very yes. Okay, very good. Very good.
there is a on.
Dictionary contain two things, key and value. Here we have only elements. Now quickly we are going through how to create a set. You can see over here, I can write in curly braces, this will become a set, or I can use a set function and I give a list. The list will be converted to set, or a tuple can be converted to a set. So a list, tuple, you give whatever and use a set function that can be converted to set. But do remember, set should have only unique values. You can see over here, these are the examples, correct?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, in the previous slide, you showed that we can create an empty list by just giving the curly braces. Empty set case, empty sets, not list. But such same syntax for dictionary also. So how can we differentiate that it's a set or a dictionary?
So after that you will go on storing some value or not, you have defined in this way. Suppose it is not being nothing is stored over there. Now if you when you go for storing one value over here, then it will become set. And if you go on storing
But sir, the syntax for empty set and empty
both are same.
dictionary is
Both are same.
okay.
So here you can see this is it understood or not, this one? Creating sets.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now look over here.
Yes, sir.
How to access the sets. I can define a set and I write for d in days print d. The way we access the list tuples. Similar way we are accessing the values. Is it clear? One thing you do remember, we are discussing many commands over here. Unless you will not practice, because we do not have enough time over here to practice each of these, I will run and show you. What you will do, each of these you will try of your own in your machine. Is this command you will give and you will see the output. Is it understood what I am saying? So unless you will not do, you will not have the you will forget everything. All syntax you will forget, and in the exam you cannot able to write. Even if the writing program also you will feel difficult. For today's class, what we have discussed in over here, what you will do, at least try once on your machine. All those commands, all these slides only whatever written, you try it on your machine itself. Is that understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now adding items to a set. So these are the items there: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. I want to add Sunday, right? So what I'll do, I'll use the add function. The add function will add this into the this set. This can be added because Sunday is not present, so it can be added over here. Is it clear? So if I want to remove an item from a set, I'll use the discard function. Not only discard function, the pop function, remove function can also be used. Here I have used the discard function. The discard function will discard this sun from this set. I have to use the value itself. I will item name itself. And by printing it, it will give you that so now, so removing item is discard function. We can use some other functions like pop or remove can also be used. Then union function. What we are actually discussing, we are discussing about the set. So operation on the sets, mathematical model of set what we are using, the same functions can also be used over here. What we can do, we can have union, intersection, difference, compare. These things can be done over here. Suppose this is my set A and this is set B. Days A and days B are two sets. I use a union operator, right? I use a union operator over here. What is that? The OR operator. I use the OR operator over here. So, so what it does? These two are being So if it is a OR operator, can you guess what will be the output? What will be the output over here?
So Monday to Sunday.
But
all the elements will be added, and Wednesday will be same.
Now see, Wednesday is 2 times. It is there. In the output, it will appear only once. In the output, it will appear only one time. Okay. So similarly, if you go for intersection, you will get what? If I go for
Wednesday.
Very good. So difference of set A and so present in A, not in B. So it will return Monday, Tuesday. Correct? Present in A, not in B. The function set function that you are applying on the math, the same can be used over here. Just remember this symbol. This is for union and this is for what? Intersection.
Intersection.
Yes. This is for intersection. This is for difference. If you want to compare two sets, this is set A and set B. If you want to compare these two sets, what you will do? If days, this is the subset result I have stored. If A is less than equals to B, if A less than equals to B, second one is B is greater than equals to A. Just look over here: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. This is only, that means this is a subset of this or not? So is it or not? Days of A is a subset of B. So it returns what? True.
Yes, sir.
So B greater than this. Yes. This returns true. So you can compare the values. Is it sets? Is it clear? Now take out your copy and write the output of this. Then I will show you that what will be the.
Sir.
Yes. Hello.
Sir. Sir, please show the previous slide once. Sir, how can we compare the first two sets, that is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday given, and Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday?
How do you compare the two sets? What your question is?
Means use relational operator. How can you use relational operator?
Relational operator is whether it is a subset or not. It means that whether all elements are present over there or not. Suppose, for example, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. This is present over here in this. This is a subset of this. So I can say this is less than this actually. Yes. So this is actually used for subset or superset. This is for subset, greater than is for superset.
So if whole set is present, then only it will be return true.
Yes, correct. If
otherwise
whole
it will
return false. Whole set has to be present. That is also required. Whole set has to be present. Then, So can you look over here? This is print fruits. You know that what it will print? Fruits will print. And and is for what?
Intersection, sir.
Intersection, sir.
So this is intersection.
The common elements will be printed.
Yes, very good. So this is union, and this is difference. This is OR operators. You can see over 5 what it gives. For 5, I have used this operator. Fruits and fruit basket. This is an operator. This fruits and fruit basket. The question is 2 and 5. You see 2. What it returns? Not 2. 2 is AND operator. OR operator is 3 and 5. 3 is banana. 3 is what? 3 is OR operator. Fruits and fruit basket. This symbol I have not forgotten. Mango, orange, grapes, kiwi. Mango, fruits. This operator, I forgot what is that. In set, some operator is there. Anyway, fifth one I am telling you what is that. Let me recall what is that. Sixth one is for length. This represents whether it is present or not, and this present whether it is not present or not. These are true and false set related. Whether it is a subset or not, superset or not. Each subset and each superset are two functions that can be used. Except besides using less than, greater than, you can use each subset or each superset. And if you want to make a copy, you can use the basket.copy so that it can be copied. Except the fifth one, is it understood all the output? Except the fifth one, I will tell you what is this fifth one.
Yes, sir.
Fifth one, let me, actually I forgot this. What is this?
Sir, it is for symmetric difference.
Maybe symmetric difference I am finding that. I forgot for this day, that is set for, it might be somewhere. I'll sort somewhere, I'll get it. This operator.
Sir, binary XOR.
Maybe something I will get sets order. Not showing directly. Anyway, whatever it is, you find out. It's not with a very, somewhere it might be there. Anyway, you find out over there, or I will tell you after searching.
It is symmetric difference, means
yes,
new
yes.
set with elements.
It might be a symmetric difference. Yes,
yes,
it might be. Okay, so these are the okay. Quickly going. I think the time already. How many slides are left now? Oh no, then it will. Today I have to finish up today. Let me take the attendance. Number 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is permanent absent, I think.
Yes, sir. So 4 has left the college.
So 4 and 31 is all permanently absent.
4 and 31.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, very good. All present. Very good. Okay, so today we'll finish. Now the next class we'll go for finishing this set, and we'll have some programs we'll do on the using the functions, packages, and all this, right? So I'll end the meeting now. Any questions?
No, sir.